Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial of logic gates, we will learn about OR gate. As seen in last tutorial, AND gate, when in a AND gate, when all inputs are 1, then only output will be 1. In this tutorial, when all inputs are 0, then only the output will be 0, else output will be 1. I will simplify this. The symbol of AND gate OR gate is like this: A, B, output Y. Let's make truth table for simplification of the working of the OR gate. Zero 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 1 1 0 1. In OR gate, the condition is when all inputs are 0, then only output will be 0. So here all input are 0, then will be output will be 0, else it will be 1 1 1. I repeat, when all inputs line are 0, when all inputs are 0, then only output will be 0, else if there is any one in the A or B, or if n numbers of input and on all are 0 for only one input is 1, then will be output will be 1. When or there is any one in the input, just write output as 1, or if there is no one in input, all 0 are in input, then or write 0 as output. So let's make truth table for 3 inputs. Add C, A, B, C. 2 raised to n equal to 2 raised to 3, 8. 8 combination will be there. 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Why? I don't have to think so much for this tutorial, because I know when all are 0 present in input, then only output will be 0, or else output will be 1. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This is the basic logic of OR gate. Thanks for watching. Thank you if you are still watching.